I'm going to take this beast out for a little ride this morning. I think I'm just going to go up Calaveras. It's kind of a short but very twisty mountain road. I haven't ridden this thing since I put the tires on and did the swap of the ballistic battery to the anti-gravity battery. So let me scrub these tires in a little bit. Hopefully this stupid ass GoPro camera will turn on and not lock up like it likes to do to me. This is a GoPro 10. I've had 3 of these things now, and they've all had this lockup problem where you have to take the battery out of the camera to get it to unlock. I don't get it. First things first, will the biatch start up? It's a go! safe and sound. This bike ran beautiful today. It was a beautiful day outside. I got a little warm toward the end. I should have left earlier, but I haven't ridden the bike since I rebuilt the carburetors, put smaller pilot jets in, and tuned the carburetors with the vacuum gauge. It ran very crisp, very good. It's an enjoyable ride. What went wrong? Wrists and hands are out of shape, out of riding shape. I could barely pull the clutch lever in toward the end of the ride. It hurt really bad. It was a very overly cautious ride, I would say, because I haven't been on this bike or on that road or on any bike in a few... I'm just learning how to walk too in quite some time, but I did get a little scrubbing on the tires. I'll have to go up Mines Road one of these days to get them properly scrubbed in. It's a nice ride though, great day. I need to get back on this little project here, don't I? I also need to take this guy out for a ride. That's it. Till next time.